In today's video, I will walk you through how to @everyone in Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below and let's jump right in. Start by opening Discord and heading to the text channel where you want your announcement to appear. This could be a general chat, an announcements channel, or any channel where you plan to communicate. In the message box, type @everyone, then write the rest of your message and press enter. Discord will tag everyone in the server who has access to that channel, and eligible members will receive a notification. Keep in mind that not every server allows @everyone. Server owners and moderators can restrict this permission at the server or channel level. If your @everyone doesn't highlight or you receive an error, you likely don't have permission to use it. Notification behavior can also vary depending on individual settings. Members who have muted the server or channel, or customized their notifications, may not receive a push alert, even though the message is still visible. It's best reserved for important announcements, time-sensitive updates, or information that genuinely applies to the entire community. Before sending, make sure you're in the correct channel and that @everyone is typed correctly without an extra space between the symbol and the word everyone. The process is the same on desktop and mobile. That's it. Type @everyone, add your announcement, and send the message to notify the server. And that's how to @everyone in Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.